It's time for turtle treats. Oh, they're so delicious. See? Turtle treats. She loves them. It's all part of a balanced diet. I just have to stand here to make sure the dogs don't steal them from her because they want to. Because they are stinkers. Oh, so delicious. Turtle snacks. Oh, Stella. Yummy. It's very cathartic to watch Stella eat. Oh, I got a cat helping. Kitty cat. Helping. Oh, so yummy. Sorry for my sniffle. You still have strawberry on your shelf from earlier today. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Again, sorry for my sniffle. Oh, so yummy. If I can open it. There we go. More turtle snacks. They're like Scooby snacks. They're like Stella Snacks. Oop, oop. Oh. Oh, so yummy. Oh, yeah. Just sitting here and watching the tortoise eat. Milo got one. Oh, he's such a stinker. Big old tongue. Milo, stop. Milo is trying to collect any crumbs that she has left behind because he is a rotten stinker. Oh. Stella Snacks. She loves that. Oh, missed that one. Oh, yeah, there we go. So delicious. And nutritious. Yes, Milo is standing right there. Milo will eat anything that Stella eats. Unless I just give it to Milo. And then he's like, what is that? Because he's rotten. So there you go. Your daily dose of Stella.